best anyway. Lovely to see you all again. And let's see you sing along with this one to start with. Let's kick it off. Grab your coat and grab your hat. Leave your worries on the doorstep. Just direct your feet all together to the sunny side of the street. Can you hear the pitter-pat? That's the happy sound of your feet. Life can be so sweet on the sunny side of the street. I used to walk in the shade with those blues on parade, but now I'm not afraid, 'cause this rover crossed over. If I never had a cent, I'd be rich as Rockefeller. Gold dust at my feet on the sunny side of the get myself that blow-up saxophone, haven't I? And I'll fool you all playing this, you'll think I'm playing it. Probably not. Well, I used to walk in the shade with those blues on parade, but now I'm not afraid, 'cause this rover crossed over. If I never had a cent, I'd be rich as Rockefeller. Go just at my feet all together on the sunny side of the street. The side of the street. The side of the street. Right, let's have a go at this one. This is one by Tony Orlando and Dawn. Anybody tell me what they did? Tony Orlando and Dawn, what did they sing? Yes, who said that's good? Yes, it was that one. But that's not the one we're doing. Actually, we might do that one later. But yes, what was the other one? Anybody know the other one they did?
Oh, Candida.
Tie a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. Yeah. And there's a bit in the middle where it says the whole damn bus is cheering. The whole damn bus is cheering. And when I sing that bit, what are you going to do?
Yay!
Yay! Cheer as loud as you can. Right, here we go. I'm coming home, I've done my time. Now I've got to know what is or isn't mine. If you receive my letter telling you I'd soon be free, then you know just what to do. If you still want me, if you still want me all together. Tie a yellow ribbon round the old tree, it's the free life. If I don't see a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree, stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me. If I don't see a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. Arilla's still in prison, for my love she holds the key. I said the yellow ribbon's what I need to set me free. I wrote and told her, please hold together. Tie a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. It's been 3 long years, please stay with me. If I don't see a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree, stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me. If I don't see a yellow ribbon round the old oak tree. Are you ready for your bit? Don't forget, cheer as loud as you can. Ready? Well, the whole damn bus is cheering. Hey! Wow! 100 yellow ribbons round the old tree. I'm coming home. Tie a ribbon round the old oak tree. 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 Fantastic! Wow, the whole damn bus is cheering. Woo! What a cheer! I went to the doctors the other day. I'll tell you a joke. Went to the doctors the other day and he said, "What's the problem?" And I said, "I keep having this recurring dream where these naked ladies keep throwing themselves at me. And I keep pushing them away."
Yeah, right.
And the doctor said, "What do you want me to do?" I said, "Break my arms." Oh dear, they get worse. Right, what do you think of the show so far? Rubbish! Here we go. Bring me sunshine in your smile. Bring me laughter all the while. In this world where we live, there should be more happiness. So much joy we can give to each brand new bright tomorrow. Make me happy through the years, and never bring me any tears. Let your arms be as warm as the sun from up above. Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love. Here it goes sometimes. Oh, don't get paid enough for this. Oh, short for our hairy legs. What could be more happiness? So much joy we can give to each brand new bright tomorrow. Make me happy through the years. Never bring me any tears. Let your arms be as warm as the sun from up above. Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love, love, love. Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Wow, lots of singing along. I just had a little bit of my vodka. Strange, a completely different act. Right. let's have a go. I'm going to sing this one. This is a nice slow song, Elvis song. And see, I think you like this one. I think we've done it before. It's called Always on My Mind. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. Or maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I should have. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. Sing it. You were always on my mind. Or maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely times. And I guess I never told you I'm so happy that you're mine. If I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. But you were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. Give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. Once more. You were always on my mind.
Stop now. Thank you. Thank you. Was there it for me?
Pardon? Oh, that's really sweet. I think.
Ruined us now.
Oh, well, let's do another Elvis song. This is to change of tone. Is the constipation song. It's not really called the you wouldn't call a song the constipation song, would you? What we're going to call this song, it's a really good song. Let's call it the constipation song. It's not something that happens. It's actually the wonder of you. But there's just some words in it that say you give me love and consolation. And I keep getting them wrong, so here we go. You do the old, yeah? Oh, brilliant. Well, no one else can understand me. Oh, well, everything I do is wrong. You keep me ho and constipation. You give me strength to carry on, and you're always there to lend a hand in everything I do. That's the wonder altogether. The wonder of you. And when you smile, the world's brighter. You touch my hand and I'm a king. Your love to me is worth a fortune. Your love to me is everything. But I'll never know the reason why you love me as you do. That's the wonder altogether. The wonder of you. Right, this is your bed. And I'll never know the reason why you love me as you do. That's the wonder of you. Oh, thank you very, very much. Thank you. That's right. Tighten my, I always say this, tighten my trousers after that last high note. I'm sorry, I must have told you that 100 times. But I do it 100 times, so it's only fair. Right, how about with New York, New York? Anybody fancy kicking their legs, a bit of dancing? Let's have a go. Actually, I'll have this, I think I can. I think I need it these days. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York, these vagabond shoes are longing to stray right to the very heart of it. New York, I want to wake up in a city that never sleeps and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. I can see some legs kicking, that's great. These little town blues are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you. New York, New York. I want to wake up in a city that never sleeps and find I'm A number one, top of the list, king of the hill, A number one. These little town blues are melting away. I take a breath, you start a bet in old New York. Yeah. And if I can make it there, I'm gonna make it anywhere. It's up to you. Give yourself a big round of applause. So many legs to come and sing. That was terrific. A little bit more vodka is necessary. Oiled wheels. I'm not sure if I like vodka much, to be honest. What I suffer from my art, don't I? I drink vodka to just make the act different, even if I don't like it. Yes, like gin without taste, isn't it? Shall we do that one? I'm a bit scared of that one.
Which one's that?
This one. I'll just put it on and ruin it for everybody. Here we go. Doing a bit of that, oh my god. It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see you cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out at any time. But when I see you out and about, it's such a pride. If you should ever want to be loved by anyone, it's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what you say, you'll find it happens all the time. Oh, it will never do what you want to. Why can this crazy love be mine? It's not unusual to be mad with anyone. It's not unusual to be sad with anyone. But if I ever find that you choose at any time, it's not unusual to find that I'm in love with you. Whoa, 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 Now you know why I'm scared of it.